For creative professionals such as 3D animators, modelers, architects, engineers, interior designers who require industry-level specifications for a mobile workstation, we at ASUS is committed to incorporating innovative designs and cutting-edge technologies into every workstation laptop to create unparalleled aesthetics, powerful performance, and excellent user experience. I'm Jacob Vargas, ASUS Commercial PC Product Marketing Lead. I'm thrilled to be talking to you about the ASUS laptops that bring ideas to life. I'm very proud to discuss the new ASUS ProArt Studiobook 16 series. The new ASUS ProArt Studiobook 16 lineup has the world's first 16-inch 4K OLED HDR 16:10 display that is also a VESA Display HDR 500 True Black certified. And it doesn't end there. We know that your creations demand visual perfection. That is why we equipped our latest Studiobook lineup with a display that is 100% DCI-P3, passes validation from Pantone, and is Calman verified with Delte-E color, an accuracy value of less than 2. These industry-level features ensures you're seeing many vivid, true-to-life colors as possible with precise color accuracy. Together with its 16:10 aspect ratio and its ultra-slim nano-edge bezel design, it will give its users more screen real estate to see every detail of the design they're currently working on. The ASUS ProArt Studiobook 16 series was designed with one goal in mind, and that is to give you all the raw performance you need to handle even the most toughest, most resource-hungry projects that you handle. With that said, consumers have the option to either go for a mighty AMD Ryzen 5000 series processors or a powerful 11th Gen Intel Core or an Intel Xeon processors. Because at ASUS, we know what professional creators need when it comes to performance. In terms of graphical performance, the ASUS ProArt Studiobook 16 series is powered by NVIDIA's Ampere architecture with its latest ray tracing and AI technology, ranging from NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 3060 all the way to NVIDIA RTX A5000 GPU. It's everything designers, engineers, artists needs to realize their visions for the future today. In addition to this, for outstanding driver stability, at ASUS we used NVIDIA Studio drivers to ensure maximum performance, rock-solid reliability, and broad software compatibility. Connectivity is something we know all creative professionals need. So we equipped our latest ProArt Studiobook line with the full complement of I/O ports, including a Thunderbolt 4 port for Intel variants, SD Express 7.0 card reader, and the latest HDMI 2.1 port, putting your connectivity leaks ahead of the pack. We know that passionate creatives work for long periods of hours. That's why we gave importance to the laptop's cooling system as well. The ASUS ProArt Studiobook 16 series has the latest ASUS iSchool Pro cooling system, which includes dual 102 aerofoil blade fans and 6 heat pipes, so that our high-end components can run comfortably with no throttling. Certainly a remarkable feat of engineering. One of the many things that made this laptop exceptional is that it has its own dial knob, also known as the ASUS Dial. It's an intuitive physical controller that gives an extra assist for our professionals when you're working with different actions such as resizing brushes, adjusting colors, brightness, opacity, and many more. The ASUS Dial is currently compatible with software such as Adobe Photoshop, Premiere Pro, Lightroom Classics, and After Effects, and there are more compatible apps on the way. For the powerful yet creative workstation, the ASUS ProArt Studiobook 16 series price starts at 164,995 pesos. To avail this powerful workstation, simply visit and message our ASUS Philippines Facebook page to inquire on the ASUS ProArt Studiobook 16 series. We've invited Aurthur Mercader of Puppeteer Animation Studios to share his thoughts about his ASUS ProArt Studiobook 16.
Hey everyone, I'm Aurthur and I'm a 3D artist, and I have been using the ASUS ProArt Studiobook 16 for a while now. When I first got my hands on the ASUS ProArt Studiobook 16, I immediately did a test run in one of my projects I've also been using this as my daily driver for over a week now, and I could definitely see improvements in all aspects compared to my older notebook. So the best thing about this laptop is you have a really strong GPU paired with a really strong CPU. And if you're big on rendering like me, you can choose between both. You can choose to render GPU, you can choose to render CPU, and you'll get the best performance. The first thing I did notice, because I've been using ASUS monitors for like forever, and now they've just managed to up their game with the new OLED screen, and it is fantastic. I can't, for the life of me tell that, what the colors are, but obviously seeing this on screen at this grade and then seeing it on a projector or on any other screen, I'm just happy that the colors that I have here transfer over properly, Another really cool feature is the ASUS Dial, and you can hook it up to almost any tool in your workflow where you can just dial in your settings, right? You don't have to use the mouse anymore, you don't have to use the arrow keys, you don't have to flick between buttons, and here you can just really dial in what you want. The biggest challenge for me as a production artist is speed, because clients want everything yesterday, and if I can just get the best specs on a computer, I can deliver quicker, right? Colors is a very big deal because I have to see what everyone else is going to see. I have to see it on almost every format. So usually before I would literally work on my computer and then open up the file on my phone just to check colors, and then open it up on a projector just to check colors, depending on the event, depending on who's watching and where. And then export like different formats for different platforms. But now it's nice because it's true tone. I get pure blacks. I get almost every color in the gradient that I don't have to do that anymore. A big thing for me when people ask me about what computer I use, what toolset I use, the common answer would be it really doesn't matter. It's up to the artist and stuff like that. But really, for me, especially nowadays with how technology has been evolving, it's a big deal for you to really invest in a good tool set. I would recommend this computer to any 3D artist, even any artist, period, because it's a complete tool set. It's the complete package, and you can take it anywhere. What else can you ask for, really?
Thank you, Arthur. The ASUS ProArt Studiobook 16 is made by creators for creators. Aside from the ASUS ProArt Studiobook 16 series, we are also offering the Adobe Bundle promo, valid for redemption until September 15, 2022. Get access to up to 20 creative apps under the Adobe suite, and as well as 100 gig cloud storage and Adobe portfolio and fonts. Our job is to make sure all your visions come to life. That is why this is born for the creative pros. May our aspiration to create new and exciting things help every creative to create without restriction to unleash their true potential. Thank you, and see you all in the next video.